Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can change the language from Java to Kotlin in case it has reduced. So first of all, you're going to try and open an application. You're going to click on empty activity, because this is normally how we do. So this error usually occurs on the newest update, the giraffe update. So if you have this, you might actually get this error, because normally you would select on empty activity, then it just goes on. But now when you click on empty activity, you cannot select the language. You can only select the Gradle language. So what you're gonna go in, you're gonna go to previous, and now you're going to click on empty views activity. When you click on empty views activity, that's where you can select the language. So everything remains the same. How you name the applications, you name the application whatever you want to name it. For example, I was thinking of making a status download app, so click on write status downloader, then click on finish. Always remember to set the minimum SDK for your requirements, also the location where you want to store this file. Just make sure you use the file that you want to use, then click on finish. Once that's finished, everything loads correctly as it should load. And the default language for this app now is Java. You're gonna see right now, as you can see, this is Java code, not Kotlin. So that's how you change the language on Android Studio. Yeah, see you in the next one.